When you're out in the road travelling, sure enough, Murphy's Law is going to apply occasionally and you're going to get caught and have to do some sort of repair on the road. It's about what should you take. Now, most of us will carry a tool roll for tools, but here's a few little extra things that we take that can help us get out of the way. You may not know how to use them, but someone travelling by might be able to assist you. Twitching wire. This is used for a range of things, for twitching up and holding back in place. Some stronger fencing wire. Same sort of operation to tie it down. The trusty old cable ties, they'll get you out of trouble with doing a range of things. You get what you pay for when it comes to cable ties. Another little product that we like to use is this tape here. It's self-binding tape. So say a hose goes on you or you develop a bit of a leak, you bind that around, it's going to allow you to get into the next town. This product here called Need It, you combine the two together and it goes and sets like, when you put it onto something, it sets like concrete. So great for, you know, if you've had a water leak in your radiator or a fuel line or something like that. The old 100-mile-an-hour tape, in case you take a stone and you get a cracked windscreen, you lay that out. A range of different types of glues that'll set fast, some rope to hold it in place, and of course the trusty old ratchet strap. You'd be surprised what you could hold down with that. So there's just a few things that we take to help us stay on the tracks.